Want to follow objects in your video with text, stickers, or images? Here's how to do motion tracking on CapCut PC in just a few steps. First, open your project and select the video clip you want to track. Trim it down if needed so it's easier to work with. Then click the clip and look for motion tracking in the top menu. If it's not showing, make sure you're selecting a video, not an image or overlay. Now, a tracking box will appear on screen. Drag it over the object or person you want to follow, like a face, hand, or moving car, and resize it if needed. Click Start Tracking, and CapCut will analyze the movement automatically. Once it's done, you'll see the tracking path generated. Now it's time to attach something. Add your text, image, or sticker. Right-click the overlay, choose Follow Motion, and select the clip you just tracked. Your element will now move with the object in real time. Play the preview to see if everything looks smooth and make adjustments if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to use motion tracking in CapCut PC. Like and follow for more editing tips that actually work.